You know what? I already started filming and my camera didn't capture any of it. You here for my life. Today we're going to be doing a Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. We're going to be doing January and February. I did get the icon box, but we're not going to be unboxing the icon box in this video. But I do have some Ipsy Boxycharm mystery bags, so we're going to try to unbox them all in this video. Let's get into it. I already started filming this video, so I already opened the January Ipsy bag and spoke about it a little bit. So we got brushes in the Ipsy bag, and it looks like a highlighter brush and a blush brush. We got the light blue quilted leather bag with the gold buckle. We got the Glow Recipe. This was the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. And so here's what it looks like. You guys, I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna be running through this really quick. So this is what I was on before I realized I wasn't recording, or my camera wasn't recording. We got the Memoir Candy Shop perfume in 08. I was explaining it as a scent that we've all smelled before. Is one that we probably have had in our collection before. It's very familiar nonetheless. And I was saying that it might have some bergamot notes in it. I'm not sure, but I like this, so I'm gonna be trying this one out. And I do wanna let you guys know, any items that I already have that are repeats, or items that I don't want, items that I can't use, I am going to be doing giveaways at the end of every month and giving away those products. The last two products we have in here is the HD Smoothing Primer from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is what that looks like. So they threw in this small little tester foundation. That's another thing. So with Ipsy, they do give you small size products, but with Boxycharm, Boxycharm and Ipsy collaborated. I'm still gonna call it Boxycharm because that's what I know it by. But the boxes are 5 full-size products. So we're gonna get into those 5 full-size products in a second, but we're still on January. So they threw in this small, pretty vulgar foundation in the shade Bear Bay Dark. And so this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it, right? It's definitely too dark, but I thought it'll be too dark. Boxycharm isn't really good with like concealers and foundations when it comes to darker skin or darker complexion women, so I typically don't expect much. And actually, when I signed up, I didn't even expect much when it came to that. So let's just go ahead and blend it out on our finger, and you guys can probably see already how dark that is in comparison to my hand. I mean, I guess it can be a contour color, or it can be given away to somebody that can actually use it. I did swatch it though, but this might be one of the ones I'm going to add in the giveaway box. Also comes a card with all of the items that's inside of your bag. Now, one thing that I do remember Boxycharm doing, we got a chance to choose a product in our, we got 2 choice items, I believe. That is not a thing any longer. And then also, they show you what's in your box and your bag before you get it now these days anyway, but it's nice to see that they added these cards. I do know when they first merged over, they only put those little papers inside of them, and I just stopped getting them because what I loved about Boxy, that was one of the reasons why I was like, okay, I'm gonna cancel my subscription, because I was one of the people that collected all of the Boxycharm cards. So it was very kind of disappointing to see like they didn't have them anymore. So this is everything that I got for January. Y'all get in the comment section and y'all let me know, do y'all think I got a good Ipsy bag? I would say because I'm interested in the primer, the brushes, and the perfume, as well as the Glow Recipe plump gloss, I think I got a pretty good one. Minus this not really being my color. If anything, it can be a contour, but I think I'm gonna add it in a giveaway box. Let's do the January Ipsy box. So I don't know if I stated this earlier in the video, but I am going to be doing or getting February's icon box, which replaces February's Boxycharm box or Ipsy box. So that's going to be in a separate video. But like I stated, they already tell us what's going to be in the box anyways. So I already knew what was going to be in here because it showed on my account. But we got the hair mask, which I know I'm going to add in a giveaway box because I don't really, you know, I'm very persnickety about the things that I put in my hair, and this is just, I know it's not going to be one of them. I'm just going to be honest with you, you know? The Verb Ghost Mask for fine to medium hair. And let's be honest, you know, I do have a thinner texture of hair than I would like, but I'm still not really going to use this. So that's going to be in the giveaway. So we got the Pearlescent Blush Glow BB Cheek and Lip Balm. I'm not really a fan of the BB cheek and lip balms or the cheek and lip balm combo thingy mabobs. I'm not really a fan of those, but I'm not opposed to trying them. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay, so we got the Dominique Brow Blowout Shaping Gel, which is interesting. So I'm hoping this is the color that I need. Girl, this isn't clear. Okay, so good. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this one because, you know, my brows can get a little wild. So it's good to have something like this to kind of shape them into place. So we got the Wander Beauty in Neutral eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and take a look at the eyeshadow palette. Because I do like Wander Beauty products. They do have really good eyeshadow palettes, I believe. I got a few Wander Beauty eyeshadow palettes, actually, that I love. Okay, girl, am I gonna be able to get this open? Let's look at it, okay? Let me look at it with my eyes. Let me look at it with my eyes. I mean, it looks like a cool palette, meaning a cool tone palette. I don't really know if it'll be like, you know, can y'all see that? Let me know. I don't really know if it'll be like one of those palettes that I just automatically run to and gravitate to. I don't know. I'm interested in trying this one though. Okay, and so then we got Miss Skin by, I don't even want to pronounce the doctor's name because I know I'm going to butcher it. But this is a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. And this is what it looks like. I'm here for the skincare. I love when Boxycharm puts skincare in my boxes. I genuinely don't mind. I love skincare products. Okay? Okay. So that was January. Let's get into February. And like I said, we're only going to be doing a Ipsy bag unboxing because February Boxycharm Ipsy box is replaced with the Icon box. So we're going to do an unboxing in a separate video. Ipsy it is. Okay, so this is the Ipsy bag for February. Let's look to see what we got. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know if you feel like the Ipsy box that we just opened, if y'all feel like that one was worth it or not, if it was an exciting box or not. I don't know, so-so. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so February is Valentine's season. So they have this cute heart-shaped bag. It's 3D heart imprinted, which I find to be beautiful. Or maybe it's 2D. Because 3D I feel like is a little bigger, but I don't know. And then it also has this cute lollipop to open it. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, let me just go ahead and pull out the card first. Self-love starts here. That's what the card says. Mind you, Boxycharm used to have way better cards, and it used to just match the season, the theme. I don't know. And I kind of miss that vibe, but okay. Ipsy, if you guys are hearing this, I mean, if you guys could, you know, kind of be more creative with the cards, because Boxycharm users are accustomed to that type of creativity, the funness. Like, I literally have kept every Boxycharm card that I had back in the day, and I still have them to this day because they were so cute. But let's go ahead and pull these items out. So this is the hyaluronic acid from Dermafirm. We have the concentrated ginseng. We have the pore refining cleanser from Rodale. And then this is one that I know is going to be going in the giveaway bag for the end of the month. And this one is the Mo Beauty Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint and Cherry Crush. I don't know. It is wrapped up, so I'm not going to be able to open it or anything like that. It just is not something that I'm interested in. I was just telling you guys how I do not care about the lip and cheek combos. I'm so tired of them. Like, please go away from me with this, Apollo. Okay, and then, am I missing one? Oh yes, last but not least, this is the liquid highlighter. And now that I'm looking at the color, it actually looks really cute. I might be keeping this one for myself, okay? I might have to think on this one. All right, let's move on. So those were the January and February Ipsy bags in Ipsy Boxycharm boxes. Now let's go ahead and move on. Let me try to get this big old box in front of me. Or I might just leave it back here and just pull them to the front. Let's go ahead and move on to our mystery bag unopenings. Let's go ahead and move on to the mystery bag unboxing.